I have been dying to get a personal color analysis professionally done in Korea, and I finally got one done, and I learned so much. It was actually life-changing. It goes way, way, way deeper than the TikTok filters you see. Like, it even goes into how dark or bright your brown eye is, how shiny or matte your eye is, the color of the white part of your eye. Like, is it more ivory or pure white? Like, I didn't even know that was a thing. Anyways, after a ton of other factors, she started giving me different color palettes to compare. We started off with a broad analysis of which season. With this, we crossed off autumn, and even within the same season, there's cool tones and warm tones. So this is a cool tone summer versus a warm tone summer. Then we get into specific colors. We started off with red, which is a good color to compare because you can see here that a darker, more muted cool tone red looks better than a true bright red. Just look closely at how my face changes. It was so cool. Like this purple, this bright color does not look good on me, but once we tone it down a little bit with this cool tone, these are the cool tone purples that look good on me. Greens, this looks bad. These kinds of bright colors don't look good, but you tone it down, the navy looks great on me. I was so skeptical and refused to accept the fact that I am cool tone, but after all these experiments, we had to conclude that I am definitely a cool tone girl. She also told me what kind of makeup shades to wear to complement my skin tone best. It's seriously so life-changing. Now I know what colors to shop for and what kind of lipstick shades I should wear more often.